Exercise 13.2, question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. Figure is given in the question. In the figure it is given that the gulab jamun is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispherical ends. So here first we have to find what is the volume of one gulab jamun. For that what we should do? This is the shape of the gulab jamun given. Cylinder with two hemispheres at two ends. Okay. So here we have to find the volume of gulab jamun by using any method. Either volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of a hemisphere. Or this volume of these two hemispheres together we can take it as a volume of sphere. Okay. So here I use volume of gulab jamun. Gulab jamun is equal volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. Any way you can find. Here I join these two spheres together, it will be a sphere. These two hemispheres together will be a sphere, right? Then here it is given that total length of this gulab jamun is equal 5 centimeter. Then diameter is given as 2.8. So diameter for this hemisphere and cylinder is common. That is 2.8. Here it is also 2.8. Okay. So diameter is common for all these three shapes, that is 2.8 centimeter. So we have to find radius, that is d by 2 equal 2.8 by 2 equal 1.4. Right? So from here to here this length will be what? 1.4. So from here to here it is also 1.4. Okay. That means from this to here this length will be 1.4. Then this from here to here it will be 1.4. So what is the height of the cylinder itself? That is 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4. That means 5 minus 2.8 equal 2.2. So what is the height of this cylinder? That is 2.2 centimeter. Okay, height of the cylinder we got as 2.2 centimeter. So height of the cylinder is 2.2 centimeter. Radius and diameter is common for sphere and a cylinder. Height of the cylinder we can take as h equal 2.2 centimeter. Then we can write the equation for volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Then volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Radius is common, so we use the same term, same variable. Then we can take the common factor outside. So pi r square is common. Then here h plus here r by 3. 4r by 3 remaining terms. Then we can substitute the values of pi as 22 by 7 and r is 1.4. So r square is 1.4 into 1.4. Then h we got as 2.2. Then plus 4 into 1.4 by 3. 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into 2.2 plus 4 into 1.4 is 5.6. Then by 3. Then we can do the cross multiplication here in the bracket. So 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into 2.2 into 3 is 6.6 plus 5.6. 5.6 into 1, 5.6 by 1 into 3 is 3 itself. Then 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into 6.6 plus 5.6 is 12.2. Okay. Then by 3. Then we can simplify this if we can. So here this 7 and 1.4 we can cut. Then we will get 0.2. Now no other numbers can divided by 3. So we have to multiply these all and get the answer as 22 into 0.2 into 1.4 into 12.2 by 3. That is equal 75.152 by 3. We can rounding it to 2 decimal place digits after decimal. For that we encircle the third place. It is less than 5. So we can write 75.15 itself. Then by 3. Then when we divide it, then we will get 25.05 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of a gulab jamun. Then in the question it is given that a gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. So here we have to find how much sugar syrup can hold by a gulab jamun. That is, volume of sugar syrup contained in a gulab jamun equal 30% of volume of a gulab jamun. That is equal 30% of 25.05 equal 30 by 100 into 25.05. Then we can simplify, cut these two zeros. Then 3 by 10 means 0.3. Then into 25.05. Then we have to multiply this. Then we will get 75.15. That means here 3 decimal digits after decimal together. So here also we put after 3 digits from last. So 515 after we put decimal. So 7.515 centimeter cube. This is the volume of sugar syrup in one gulab jamun. That we can round off to 1 digit or 2 digit. Anyway you can. Here I do that as 1 digit. This digit is less than 5. So we will get the answer as 7.5 centimeter cube. Right? Then here in the question it is given that 45 such gulab jamuns. So volume of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamuns. Okay, 45 gulab jamuns. That is equal 1 gulab jamun 7.5 centimeter cube. So 45 gulab jamuns 45 into 7.5 centimeter cube. So what we will get 337.5 centimeter cube. We can rounding off it as here it is greater than 5. So we should greater than or equal to 5. Then we add this 1 to this remaining. Here it is equal 5. So we add 1 to the remaining. So 337 plus 1 is 338 centimeter cube approximately. Okay, so this is the approximate volume of the syrup contained in 45 gulab jamuns. So 338 centimeter cube is the answer. Exercise 13.2, question number 4. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. The radius of each of the depressions is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. Figure is given in the question. From the figure, we can identify that remaining volume of the box equal volume of cubical box minus volume of 4 conical depressions. Measures of the cuboid is given as 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. Means length equal 15 cm, breadth equal 10 cm and height is equal 3.5 cm. Then for the conical depression, the measure is also given there. The radius of the conical depression is 0.5 centimeter and depth is given as 1.4. Depth means here what? Height. Depth is equal height. Here one of the height we took as small h. So here the depth or height of this conical depression we can mention by capital H, that is equal 1.4 centimeter. Okay, here the remaining volume of box equal volume of cuboid minus volume of 4 conical depressions. That is equal volume of cuboid is LBH minus volume of 4 conical depression means 4 into volume of a cone. What is the volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here we mention that height as capital H. Then we can give the values. Substitute the values of L, B, H and this R and H. Then pi also we can give as 22 by 7. Okay, so here 10 into 10 into 3.5 minus 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r is 0.5. So r square means 0.5 into 0.5. Then h is height, depth of the conical depression, that is 1.4 centimeter. Right? So here we have to simplify this. 15 into 10 into 3.5. 10 into 3.5 means what? 35. We can remove this decimal. Minus here 7 and this 1.4 we can cut. Then we will get 0.2. Then we can't simplify it again. So 4 into 22 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.2 by 3. Okay. 15 into 35 is equal 525. Then minus. Then 4.4 we will get when we multiply the numerators, then by 3. Then 525 minus, we can simplify this, then we will get 466 etc. Okay, so 525 minus 1.47. We can write it as 1.47. Then when we subtract this, then we will get 523.53. Or we can write 523.5 centimeter cube. Anyway, we can express. So 523.5. This is less than 5 now. So we can write 523.5 centimeter cube. Otherwise, we can write 523.53 centimeter cube. Anyway, we can express. So this is the remaining volume of the box. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.